Can DHT be blocked to avoid hair loss? So you noticed your hair is thinning or falling off than normal, and you are worried about the root cause. Maybe wrong choices of food, stress, genetic, or you probably used the wrong shampoo in washing your hair. It is no longer news that DHT, dihydrotestosterone, is responsible for loss of hair, especially in men. DHT is a steroid hormone that binds to the scalp's receptor in men that are genetically susceptible to hair loss. DHT, dihydrotestosterone, is a hormone produced as a secondary product of testosterone, found both in male and female, but in varying amount. DHT binds to the receptors in the hair follicle of people genetically susceptible to hair loss, weakens and shrinks them, and eventually causes them to die. This process, termed miniaturization, puts an end to the growth of hair in follicles that are affected with DHT. Amazingly, DHT is essential for hair growth in other parts of the body, such as the back, chest, pubic region, and it is also responsible for baldness of hair. Since we already know that loss of hair is primarily caused by DHT, the most effective way to prevent hair loss or slow down the process is to block the supply of DHT. Blocking of DHT can be achieved at the source by the use of drugs containing melatonin, such as Revita tablets for hair revitalization that disrupts the conversion of testosterone and DHT. The body is prevented from producing DHT at all other method is by making use of DHT blocking hair shampoo, spray, or conditioner that makes DHT. Stay away from the hair follicles. A good one is manufactured by DS Laboratories, which are Revita Hair Growth Stimulating Shampoo, Revita Hair Growth Stimulating Conditioner, and Spectral DNCN Redensifying.